Also, I got a few questions, you know, in the past couple of months. Am I selling my STI? The answer is no. I don't plan on selling the STI. It is not for, well, actually everything is for sale. All right, so this is a video that I do not want to make. Life is happening fast. All right, guys, so Subaru is officially sold. Alright, so let's pause this video from a word from our sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys haven't heard, Simply Carbon Fiber is a company that sells awesome carbon fiber products from phone cases, wallets, watches, sunglasses, you name it. And I've been using this wallet for about, I don't know, 3 months now, and I've never had an issue with it. Love carrying it around. This is my go-to wallet. You're talking about 4 to 6 cards inside your wallet. That's pretty much all I need, pretty much anywhere I go. Plus you got a money clip in the back and you're all set. Plus this thing is durable, very slim, fits in and out of your pocket very easily. Definite must have if you like carbon fiber. You guys know I'm a carbon fiber nut. Definitely something to consider and check out. Link will be in the description below, and also check it out. They're gonna give you a coupon code for 10% off. But anyways, back to the video. First track tape with the BMW M4, bone stock down to the tire, no modify whatsoever. All right, so now you've seen the B-roll. 2019 BMW M4 CS, a car that I've been wanting for a very long time. I remember shopping around for my 2019 STI. I said to myself, wow, if I can only afford one of these, but you know what? At that time, these cars were over $100,000 brand new. There's no way in hell I can afford that. You know, even with the inflated car market, the way it is right now, this car is pretty much half of what it costs brand new. So you guys know with German luxury cars or just luxury cars in general, you know, they depreciate very fast. So this is a one owner car, clean title. 30,000 miles, which is, you know, it's a little bit higher on the mileage, which is probably why I got it for the price that I did. We'll go over the price and all the features and the quirks and features and whatnot, you know, in another video. I have to learn anything and everything about this car, which I really don't know much about BMWs, to be honest with you. But one of my motivations for getting this car is that I've always wanted an M4 ever since my buddy Blake from Blake's Garage, shout out to you. You know, he got one. I said, you know what? I want a BMW M4 too, but all right, I had to move to a different location. Someone had to use the boat launch, rightfully so. But anyways, here it is. Once again, BMW M4 CS. I am so stoked to have this car. It almost makes me feel better about selling the STI. All right, so if you're not familiar with the BMW F8X series, I'm gonna tell you the trim level this is in comparison to the other one. So you have the base M4, you have the competition, and then you have the CS, and then the ultimate, the GTS. I would love to have a GTS, but those things are still over $100,000, and I'm not gonna spend twice as much money for a GTS version, even though I think those those will hold value very well in the future. I think this will also, I don't know the production numbers of the CS. I think it's like 3,000 or so. If you want something that's a little more limited, get the M3 CS, a little more expensive than this, but that one is even more limited than this. I think there's like 1,500, don't quote me on that, probably less than 1,500 that were made. But this is San Marino blue, probably one of my favorite BMW colors that I've seen in person. I haven't seen all of them, but this is San Marino blue, and it's, I know the camera is not doing it any justice, so it looks blue, but in some light it also looks purple, so it's kind of like that, you know, quote unquote blurple color, but absolutely stunning color in person. Let me just do a quick walk around of the CS if you guys are not familiar with it. Look at those taillights. We'll go over that in just a minute. Absolutely stunning taillights. So, quick factory. This is 100% stock, by the way. No modifications at all. Actually, I think the previous owner replaced the amber reflectors that were in there. But we have a carbon fiber front lip. I looked that up to replace it. It's like super duper expensive. Also, this carbon fiber hood. I know it doesn't look carbon fiber, but yes, it is carbon, a true carbon fiber hood. Not like the typical fiberglass aftermarket versions you see out there. But if I'm gonna pop the hood later on, I'll show you guys underneath. But man, that is an absolute work of art. Let's see what else here. Oh, these wheels, stunning wheels. I don't know if they're forged or not, but you have 19s in front, 20s in the rear, and I think these are probably the original tires. These have a date code of, I don't know, 2018, I think. Yeah, they're 2018 tires. This car is a 2019, so I think these are still the factory tires that came on the car when it was brand new. Also, what else is there? Oh, this is a cool thing too. Carbon fiber roof. Yes, carbon fiber roof. Carbon fiber rear spoiler. And this, I have never seen these in person. And these are the GTS taillights. Just look at that. Absolutely stunning. It's got like this 3D kind of effect to it. Yeah, I've never seen these in person, guys. And seeing them in person, it's like, wow. I don't even want to know how much these cost. Also, we got this carbon fiber diffuser, all from the factory, guys. As far as modifications, what I'm gonna do with it, I don't know yet. I've only had this car for a few days, so I don't know if it needs mods right now. Whoa, actually that's a lie. I really think, honest opinion, that this car needs an exhaust. It's just too quiet, even in Sport Plus mode. I think it's Sport Plus. You just can't hear the exhaust. So I went ahead and ordered a mid pipe, and looking at different exhaust systems, wow. Talk about some BMW tax, guys. $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 for an exhaust, where, you know, the Subaru world, we're used to paying what, $1,500 for an exhaust. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to decide on that one. Tires, since these are old, I don't know, 2018, well, they're still good. We might think about getting some better tires for this. These are the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, the older version. The newer version is the PS4S, so I'm gonna decide on what tires to get for that, because I think they're worn down to about 5 or 4/32 of tread. But other than that, oh, let me show you guys the interior. So we got these door cards right here. You don't have any, you know, pockets or anything to store anything. Got this nice cool seat with this little stitching right here. Black M4 badge. I think on the older ones they're silver, don't quote me on that. And you have these holes in the seat, I guess to save weight. Alcantara on the sides. No armrest, by the way. So I guess the engineers took out some things that were gonna make the car heavier. So they took out some things to make the car lighter. So no armrest, and this nice suede or micro suede steering wheel. It looks brand new, doesn't even look used at all. So the previous owner really did take good care of it. Also the HVAC controls, as you can see, it's just basic. They don't have dual climate controls on there. But other than that, I don't know if there's anything else. Oh, let me show you under the hood. Double click. We'll show you this sweet carbon fiber weave that's underneath. Also, this has the vents. I guess this is for cooling or so. Oh, sorry guys, it's cold out here. And look at that carbon fiber weave, guys. There you go. So I think this car, or the CS, is rated at 454 horsepower. There you go. Nice, beautiful look at the S55 engine. Look at this. You guys have seen this carbon fiber little strut brace. Other than that, stock car, guys. No modifications done at all. That is a change. That I have a mid pipe coming in. I think I ordered the wrong mid pipe, guys. There's another mid pipe that everyone's recommending me to get that I didn't know about. So, and I think that's the equal length mid pipe. I don't know, we'll try this one that I got, and then we'll probably try the equal length mid pipe at another time. But anyways, just a quick overview of the brand new, to me, M4 CS. I absolutely love the color. The color really sold me. If you guys are interested in like a M4, it's an amazing car, a lot better than I thought it would be so far. I don't know, that could change. We do have a track day coming up this Friday, so I don't know. I'll give you guys my honest opinion about the M4 CS once I take it to the track. Yes, because you guys know I'm gonna take my cars. I take my cars to the track. All right, so before we close out this video, I know some of you guys are disappointed that I sold the STI, but it's just something that had to be done. You know, it's not something that I wanted to do, but you know, at the time, I just had to sell it, guys. And I hope you guys can respect the fact that I want to experience other platforms other than Subaru. In 2015, we bought the WRX. In 2019, we bought the STI. Pretty much almost actually it was 7 years on the same platform, on the same chassis. You know, I think it was just time for a change. But here it is, guys. I'm just so stoked. And the funny thing is, you know, when I bought the Supra, I got a lot of crap for getting the Supra because it was a BMW. You know, I got more crap for the Supra than I did with the Type R. The Type R is a great car, by the way. But, you know, if you guys want to stick with the channel and follow me in this journey with learning the BMW, you know, I really do appreciate it if you guys could. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I kind of do miss the STI, but this, man, this car just makes me happy. I'm still in that honeymoon phase, so I don't want to give you guys my first initial impressions of it, but we'll go over my impressions once we do the track day. So lots of stuff to come. We're gonna also fully detail, paint correct the car because it has a few things that, you know, I don't really like, some blemishes that should be easy to get out. Ceramic coat it, but we'll go over my ceramic coating or my full detailing process in another video. Anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys. And there's people looking at me weird. You know, I like other cars other than Subarus, and I hope you guys can respect that. You keep blowing me out.